We are into mathematical modeling of physical system, and right now we are dealing with some of the mechanical system. Hope Umesh sir has some understanding on what is this math. It is nothing but we try to write a differential equation for a given system. Any major mechanical system can be realized through three basic elements: spring, mass, and damper. Because every mechanical system will involve these three basic principles, like there is some resistance to the motion, whether it is linear motion or rotational motion. There will be some resistance offered for this motion, and we need some force to overcome this resistance. That is one element. Inertia is involved because of the mass, and force required to overcome inertia will be mass into acceleration by Newton's law, and this force is to be applied in a direction opposite to the displacement. And the third one is there is damping. It may be viscous damping or whatever, air damping. So these three consider, and for equilibrium we write the equations for the discussing which is the system, but we take systems in the form of three elements as per the given problem, like this problem 2. Here a mass is shown on the top, which is connected through a damper, a dashpot damper or dashpot, a piston cylinder. It is a representative of a damper and a spring. Now what we do is we have to first see in which direction the displacement is given. It is downward direction, and displacement is given as x naught. We have to take the equilibrium condition. All the upward forces should be equals to downward tending forces, and we write the differential equation. Then we convert the differential equation into Laplace equation. Then we have to see which is the output and which is the input. And then if we can write a ratio of Laplace output divided by Laplace input, that is called as transfer function. So unless and otherwise you have transfer function, you cannot make any analysis in the control system. In the subsequent chapter, we are going to see what are the analysis that we are going to make, the frequency domain analysis and the time response analysis. There are different methods of analyzing this under frequency and time domain. That is exactly what is this subject is all about, with little bit on the state space and system compensation. Of the subject in brief. I said when a spring is there, we want to know the spring scale or spring factor denoted by Ki, not Ki, K. Okay. Then the damping coefficient is represented as B. In some book it is represented as F. There are two motions, one at the end of the spring and damper, and one displacement associated with mass. Okay. Any element which connects both the displacement, we have to take the relative motion, x naught minus xi or xi minus x naught, depending upon referring to which point we are writing the differential equation. Let us see that. First we have to write the free body diagram. There is only one mass, so we write the differential equation with respect to mass. using the Newton's law, that is algebraic sum of all the forces must be equals to 0. That means no net force is acting on the mass. That is called equilibrium position. So take the mass of the system. Again, I am telling, here we are not discussing this is the free body diagram or mechanical network for which system. That is not our concern. We look at the question and accordingly we write the equation. Mass there, and we see from the question there are upward and downward forces, no horizontal forces. So force also we write in the upward and downward direction. So as I said, because there are three elements, three forces will be there. Okay. No externally applied forces are present in this particular problem. One force is due to inertia, one force is due to the stiffness, spring, and another force is due to dashpot. So at mass m, the given displacement is x naught. So inertia force is only related to x naught, not with Newton's law says inertia force is equal to mass into acceleration. If x is the displacement, its first time derivative x dot will be velocity and x double dot will be acceleration. So obviously inertia force is mx naught double dot, and it should be acting in opposite direction to displacement. Displacement will be, whereas damping force is to be is obtained by multiplying damping coefficient multiplied by velocity. Inertia is mass into acceleration. Damping force is damping coefficient into velocity. Spring force, spring constant into displacement. This is how we write. I think Dinesh has explained you. And damping again offer resistance to displacement. Both damping as well as spring force will not assist the displacement, whereas they resist the displacement. If you try, you will try to damp it, means it will act upward direction. Same the spring is. If you try to compress it, it will try to oppose that motion. So, for to be considered in a direction opposite to displacement. It is not single displacement, it is in between. Consider. Okay. This is one force, damping force, B into X naught dot because X naught. First, the other displacement should be minus X. Similarly, K. With K, we take only displacement, not velocity. Xi. These are the only three forces present and acting on the mass at equilibrium conditions. No other forces exist. So you can just write differential equation. It is 0 because of the bracket, the spring and damping force, and I have written the equation. M is not double dot plus and minus, so opening the bracket, K into X. Is this X is the variable. Laplace transform X become X of S. It is just a variable. We are entering into S domain. S domain is a real axis and an imaginary axis. So there graphically we are going to represent the roots of this equation. We will see later. So you should be knowing a little bit and inverse Laplace, like you do logarithm and anti-logarithm. So most of this what equation you see is in the time domain. It is with respect to time. From time domain to S domain you enter. In S domain, different mathematical operations have its own procedure. After getting the final result, you are taking the inverse and coming back to time domain. Like in logarithm, you do multiplication become addition, division become minus. After that, you take finally antilog and you will be back to time domain. Same thing we do. Then how do we convert? M is mass. So where it is time domain or any domain, mass is mass only. But only variable you take care. So x become x of s. X here. Write it, but the procedure. Then we the x yes. It only so here x of x double dot means s into x. So here x double s. Same thing is for 2 x naught of s. S into x I of s. Then x k into f equals to 0. Okay. Write the one second. ಅನಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಡೀನ್ ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಟುಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ 10:30 and he can spend 2 hours. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಓ, ನೀವು ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, so I just showed that. Umesh sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, so now you see the complete equation. I have the damping coefficient, etc. I have shown only table is written in class form. X dot become x double dot become s square into x naught, etc. So I hope this is pretty clear. Now you can separate the variables if you want. So coefficients you can put in the bracket. Another variable and take it and all the coefficient the bracket. It is a simple mathematics separating the variable. Okay, so that transfer is Laplace output not of s divided by Laplace input. Okay. A note in the exam. Consider x in the function which is input. X naught you have is not given. Normally it will be clarified in the question, obtain so and so. Otherwise you can make a note that your output is x naught and input is xi, and while getting the transfer for the given network. Unmute and talk to me. Any doubt? If chatting is difficult because writing equation. Otherwise, I believe that you are following these simple mathematical steps. With one lesson, otherwise we take varieties of problems. We will not be introduced to complexity of writing differential equation for different configurations. This is also and also
Sir,
yes, sir.
this only I did the first problem.
Yeah, then here is the only change in this problem is additional display here. So free body diagram is, there are now many one force which is external in the downward direction. In the upward direction, because displacement of spring and the oppose any displacement given. Oppose means will be in the upward direction. So the balance equation, differential equation, looking at the arrowhead upward. So you have to take F for the process. Initial as simple as that. You can write the unit and that is how the balance. Mx double dot Bx plus Kf is equal to Kx is equal to F. Okay. Is applied for output is applied this place. F of s is Laplace transform. So mx double dot will become ms square, bx dot will become bs, kx will become k. Don't remove bracket, you have to write x of s only is the variable. Otherwise, yes, this is, and you may commit variable x is x of s. So these three are common term output. So output by divided by ms square plus bs. So solve this problem. Take this problem now. Now this is again slide. Let us see. If you have a pen and paper, you can just note this configuration. Bring the along this mass again. You have one damping force and one damper and a base. So this type of hatching. So at this particular, you have force applied. the spring. See the displacement. Point of application displacement is at the mass you have the displacement. Okay. Are K1, Kb. Consider free body at is okay. That is your first part of the or node or displacement equation. X, wherever displacement is given at that particular equation here. So how many forces here? Nothing is there, but you can consider a reference as A. At point A, the downward direction F. That particular point there is no mass, so no inverse. So only thing is you have force it down the force. So upward spring force is to be considered with two displacements. Spring and displacement. The rest minus x2. That ends the equation. Point here, just refer here. Force is equal to downward, only external force in the force. Only software. You are one. Mass equals to. Can somebody chat? How many forces will act on this mass? Number I want. You can type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can somebody chat or more? It is simple. Just you have to type a number. Just think how many forces are there. I didn't see any chat. Umesh sir, are you seeing any chat coming? What are the how many forces are acting mass M?
Only respond, guys. Nobody has started, sir.
Ashwarya 2. Himani 2. Only 2 students out of this lot of students. Better you can answer right or wrong, you don't. If you simply sit there, then all the difficulties you face in the exam. What I want is face all the difficulties before you go to exam. Okay. Mass is the that is force. Second one applied on this mass directly. You need not consider. There is a force because of this ring. Force damper. Totally inertia force, ring force. This inertia force displacement is same dot. That will be inertia force and displacement. One force. Is not connected with this displacement. take only displacement A x2 2 damping over. So write those three forces. So then acting this of but this particular spring here K1 is between two. When you consider this K1 absolute displacement, only one. It is not between two displacement. With respect to this particular point M, this displacement show it. Because of spring with stiffness. The other given. Those who have given an answer as 2 can verify, and any doubt is there, you can unmute and. So now write it in the equation. It is in the free body diagram. Dot bx variable. Now this is equation. Two is there here. X. So you K1 x1 minus u here is 2 minus x1. You I substitute from equation 1. Whenever you have two variables, you have to reduce that to only one variable which is required for transfer function. Transfer function is output divided by input in the Laplace form. Your displacement is x2. Immediate displacement is x1. So normally consider all away from is taken as output then divided by f of s. You should finally have only one equation and x. Eliminate. Eliminate means not simply rubbing it. You have to use some mathematical substitution method or Kramer's rule to remove this variable. So here I am using the substitution. X1 is coming. So I substitute for this particular term from is what I have written. So Laplace yeah. Of s writing my so this is only one equation and now suppose you can consider f plus, it will become plus f of s. Then you are left with ms square plus b plus k. Okay, ms square x2 of the next, so 2 of s is output, and you can get the transfer x2 of s by f of s equals to ms square plus b plus k. Any doubts? Problem? You need to see this. I request all of you to respond to my question. Knowing whether you understand or not. So by in between answering right or wrong, so at least I can make sure that it is you are reciprocating. See the configuration. You can write if you have directly with to the spring also. Is most important is the placement, where it is given and what is there, and x1. Okay. Only with respect to x1 only. Now take this two free body diagram. Matter of clarification, this if force must be taken as output is question, the displays away from this fs, how the x1 is because of here immediate particular displacement or the force finally to a displacement here. So you find displacement or transfer function. It should be x2 of s divided by f of s. So you can write two differential equation, but finally reduce to one equation by substitution method or later. First, see the free body diagram for mass m2. Again, same question. Can you please chat how many forces are to be shown with mass m2? 3. Ria is 3. Ria. Why all of you have so much of difficulty? Mass is there means inertia is there. There is one spring coming to, so that force. There is mass. 3 forces or elements are attached to mass m2. So it is 3. It is also difficult, then either you are not attentive or you are very casual. My part is to tell you how to consider that. I in between, if you respond, I'll be happy. Okay, otherwise to continue, I cannot stop here. Inertia force is m2 and opposite upward. Another is because of K and dashpot B2. They both resist the displacement given they oppose the displacement, or there is resistance for this displacement, should be taken in a direction opposite to given displacement, which is downward. So you should consider the spring and the damper force opposite to that, always upward. Two is influence. With the point of consideration, it should be taken that as first. So 2 minus x1 you should take. Minus x2, like that. So kx2. It is not in between, so it is direct into x2. One, no other. Write it in minus x1. Minus you can put O plus equals to 0. No downward forces. Okay. So this is equation 1. The other equation, the other equation, let us see that later. We'll take this dot open. Next transform. I don't have to explain again. x2 double dot s square x dot x of s, x2 of s, x2 of s. If you take, you are left m s. That is minus that. So x of s, so get equation. Now you can do for someone, and how many chat with M1 already you must have guessed how many forces are there. But is it 3 or 4 or 5? Meeting here. How come 5? One is inertia. One is external force F. One is the force due to damper B2. Another one is the force due to B. K will not come into picture. Okay, so 4, Aishwarya. So inertia force up direction, applied force downward direction, M1 x1 double dot. The other force is because of B1 B2, whereas B only B1 is having x. So when you pull this, it will oppose. What is that? You can unmute and ask. And one more force, B2. So B2 will have x2 minus M1. So next is very simple. I don't want to spend time on that. Form of it. X1, 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 one side. Here, this much. X1 of much is the coefficient of SU. Okay. Equation 3, 4 should be combined into one equation and f of s. That is just a mathematical skill control system. We use fusion method in the first equation. 1 of s, this much, call it as 5. You can use 5 using 5 this equation 4. This one. F1 of s, equation 4. Remaining term you x2 of s next one. Now this s1 2 of a equation. So you take a multiplied with x here, it will become s b2s so now it is must be equals to f of s. Now x2 transfer function output is x2, input is it s. Okay, this is server. Sir, any
So 10:45, sir. You can leave. Thank you, sir.
at least you